She was destroyed by rumors. But what she did next shocked everyone. Once upon a time, there was a quiet girl who carried the weight of cruel rumors on her fragile heart, never understanding why lies spread faster than truth. Once upon a time, she believed every whisper could destroy her, until she learned that the only voice that truly mattered was her own. Mira had always been the quiet girl who preferred library corners over crowded canteens, books over gossip, and honesty over drama. She entered college with simple dreams: to study psychology, help people one day, and live a life where kindness meant something. But in her second semester, everything changed. It happened suddenly, without warning, like a silent storm tearing her world apart. A fake rumor started, something cruel, something shameful, something that didn't even match her personality. It spread through campus like wildfire. Her name appeared in whispered conversations, in mocking laughs behind her back, in judgmental glances from classmates she had never even spoken to. People she once smiled at now looked at her like she was guilty of something monstrous. Mira tried to tell the truth, tried to defend herself, but no one cared. In college, rumors were more entertaining than reality, and her innocence was irrelevant. The more she explained, the more people twisted her words. She would walk into classrooms and feel like every pair of eyes pierced her skin. Her heart broke quietly, slowly, painfully. At night, she cried into her pillow, wondering how a lie could destroy someone's identity so easily. Mira's world grew smaller each day. She stopped going to the cafeteria. She ate lunch alone under an old banyan tree behind the arts building because it was the only place where whispers didn't
sitting
echo.
all alone again.
Sometimes she would overhear groups of students laughing loudly, saying things about her they didn't even know were lies.
Alone?
The worst part was not the rumor. It was how quickly people believed
Kind
it.
of pathetic.
People she once trusted stepped away from her like she carried a disease. A professor who always praised her now avoided eye contact. Even her closest friend distanced herself, too afraid of becoming a target. Mira felt abandoned by the world, stranded inside her own thoughts. She wanted to scream, to tell everyone the truth, to erase the lies. But she realized something important. People who want to misunderstand you will never believe your truth. And people who want drama will never want clarity. She had two choices: keep drowning in the pain of what people said about her, or rise above it in silence. One afternoon, sitting by her banyan tree with swollen eyes, she whispered to herself, "If they can destroy my reputation with lies, I'll rebuild myself with truth." That day, something in her shifted. Not loudly, not fiercely, but with quiet determination. Like this story, and subscribe to English Story Academy for more emotional English stories. From that moment, Mira stopped trying to fix people's opinions and started focusing on fixing herself. She threw herself into her studies with a level of dedication she didn't know she had. When others mocked her, she stayed in the library. When they whispered, she wrote notes, highlighted research papers, and memorized pages of psychology textbooks. When they posted cruel jokes online, she spent those hours mastering concepts her classmates ignored. She joined online study groups anonymously, completed internships quietly, and slowly built her academic foundation with her own determination. While others wasted time feeding rumors, she fed her dreams. Months passed, then years. People eventually grew tired of gossiping about her. Every rumor has an expiration date, but hard work never does. Some even forgot why they had disliked her. Some whispered new rumors about other people, moving on to their next target. But Mira never forgot the lesson those painful years taught her. The world does not destroy you. People do. And sometimes those people don't even know the cost of their words. By graduation, Mira walked across the stage with honors. Those who once mocked her sat in the audience, clapping politely without realizing they had clapped for someone they once tried to break. After college, Mira pursued a master's degree in clinical psychology. Her experiences made her deeply empathetic, and she understood emotional suffering better than any textbook could teach. She dedicated herself to learning the science behind healing, trauma, anxiety, emotional abuse, social pressure, and self-worth. She saw shadows of her past in every patient she met. Many came to her with stories of bullying, insecurity, rejection, misunderstanding, and pain. Mira didn't just listen, she understood. She spoke softly yet confidently, saying things she once needed to hear. Your value is not measured by the opinions of people who don't know you, and rumors don't define your character. Your actions do. People trusted her, not because of her degree, but because she knew what it felt like to be judged unfairly. Her clinic grew popular not for its decor or fancy certificates, but because of the warmth she carried in her voice. Word spread, not rumors this time, but admiration. The same girl who once cried under a banyan tree became a beacon of light for people lost in their own darkness. Years later, Mira was invited to her college alumni event as a guest speaker. It felt surreal walking through the same corridors that once felt like prison walls. The same classrooms where she once felt humiliated now displayed her achievements on posters. Some of the very people who believed the rumors approached her, pretending they had always admired her. She smiled politely, not out of bitterness, but because she no longer needed their validation. She had built a life far greater than their lies. During her speech, she spoke about mental health, resilience, and the silent battles people fight every day. She didn't mention the rumors or the cruelty. She didn't need to. Her success was proof enough. She ended her speech with a line that came straight from her heart. Your truth will outshine their lies, but only if you keep moving. The hall erupted in applause, but Mira's eyes softened as she stepped off the stage. She whispered to herself, I survived. And not only survived, she transformed. She grew. She healed. She became everything they said she could never be. Rumors had tried to bury her. Instead, they planted the seeds of her strength. 1. Your value is never defined by the lies people create. It's defined by the truth you build within yourself. 2. When the world tries to break you, rise in silence and let your success speak. Like, share and subscribe to English Story Academy for more emotional, life-changing English stories.